Marhaba ya jama'a and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to discuss adjectives and example sentences. I've previously done a couple of videos on adjectives already. I have an hour-long one and then also a shorter one, so I'll link that here and in the description box below. Also, don't forget you can get your corresponding vocab sheet in the Shami Speaker store, which I will also link for you, and you can find it in the description box below. So without further ado, let's get started. Our first sentence is, my sister is always positive. أختي دايما إيجابية. أختي means my sister. دايما means always. إيجابية is the adjective and it means positive. This is the feminine form of the adjective. أختي دايما إيجابية. Next we have, the street was wide and empty. الشارع كان واسع وفاضي. الشارع means the street, كان means was, واسع is the first adjective and it means wide, و means and, فاضي is the second adjective and it means empty. So we have two adjectives, واسع and فاضي, and these are in the masculine form. الشارع كان واسع وفاضي. He's a strong and smart guy. هو شاب قوي وذكي. هو means he is. شاب means guy. قوي means strong, and that is our first adjective. و means and ذكي is the second adjective and it means smart. And you'll notice that for both of these adjectives, they have different letter pronunciations. The first one, قوي, the qaf changes to a hamza or glottal stop in some Levantine dialects. The second one, zeki, the first letter, dhal, changes into a z sound instead. By the way, both of the adjectives are in the masculine form. هو شاب قوي وذكي. The table is ready. الطاولة جاهزة. الطاولة means the table. جاهزة means ready, and it is our adjective in the feminine form. الطاولة جاهزة. I'm a little tired and I want to relax. أنا تعبان شوي وبدي أرتاح. أنا means I am. تعبان means tired. شوي means a little. وبدي means and I want to. أرتاح means relax. So the adjective here is تعبان and it means tired, and it's in the masculine form. أنا تعبان شوي وبدي أرتاح. This book I listened to was enjoyable. هالكتاب اللي سمعته كان ممتع. هالكتاب means this book. اللي means that, but in the English sentence you can drop it. سمعته means I listened to. كان means was. ممتع is the adjective and it means enjoyable, and it's in the masculine form. هالكتاب اللي سمعته كان ممتع. By the way, if you're someone who loves listening to books, then I highly recommend the platform Audible. You can listen to thousands of audiobooks, podcasts, and originals anytime, anywhere. Don't miss out on exploring new stories, learning something new, or just relax with a great listen. They also have a lot of Levantine Arabic resources that you can check out. So sign up through my link and get a free 30-day trial. That includes one free audiobook to keep, even if you cancel. So I'll include the link here and in the description box. And let's get on with our Levantine Arabic lesson. My room is organized and clean. غرفتي مرتبة ونظيفة. غرفتي means my room. مرتبة means organized, and it's our first adjective. و means and. نظيفة means clean, and that's our second adjective. So both these adjectives are in the feminine form because غرفة, which means room, is feminine. غرفتي مرتبة ونظيفة. The food here is cheap. الأكل هون رخيص. الأكل means the food. Hon means here, رخيص means cheap, and is our adjective that is in the masculine form. الأكل هون رخيص. Our trip was tiring. سفرتنا كانت متعبة. سفرتنا means our trip. كانت means was. متعبة means tiring. It's the adjective and it's in the feminine form. سفرتنا كانت متعبة. Time is limited. الوقت محدود. الوقت means time and محدود means limited and is our adjective that is in the masculine form. الوقت محدود. And notice here how the qaf in الوقت is replaced by a glottal stop or hamza sound, which is common in many Levantine dialects. And that is it for today's video. I hope it was helpful to you. And don't forget that you can get the vocab sheet in the Shami Speaker Store. Don't forget to get your 30-day free trial of Audible linked in the description box below. And I'll see you in the next video. Ma salama.